Welcome to our rumba walks. So in total we have 8 rumba walks, and these are the foundation of our rumba routine. So you will see them in all of the steps. So let's go through them one by one. So the first one is a forward walk. Okay, so you stand ready, you move your hip, rotates back. That causes the knee to bend, which then moves the foot, and then you take a step forward, transferring the weight forward onto the front foot. The back hip should be high. Then we start again. We rotate this front hip, which causes the knee to come in. We draw the foot in, and we take another forward step. Okay, that's the basic. Then we've got number 2, which is your backward walk. So we're going to extend the right leg back and transfer the weight going through the right foot. I'm going to stand here, through the right foot, and lower the back heel to then stretch the front foot. Now make sure when you do the back walks, you don't take your body weight back, you just extend the leg, you don't go too far back, and you lower the heel and you have a feeling of scooping underneath your own body. Backwards. We move the hip again, the knee, the foot, we extend it back, we lower the heel. Just be aware that when you're bringing the leg, passing one leg past the other, you've got to do ankle, calf, knee, thigh as you go back. You can't just go like this, you have to go ankle, calf, knee, thigh. So that's the backward walk. Number 3 is your forward walk turning. So I'm going to start, I'm going to do it on my left foot. I'm going to extend the foot forward, lowering the heel. Make a semicircle with your heel as you turn to present this front leg, which is fully pointed. Try it on the right foot. I'm going to step forward, lowering the heel, transferring the weight, and collecting the back of the thigh, embracing it and rotating the heel, doing a semicircle, and then presenting that front foot. So that was number 3. Number 4 goes into a checked forward walk, which these come in a New York step, and you're going to collect the foot and you're going to step forward with your front foot turned out. So the front foot is turned out, the knee, the back knee moves towards the front knee, the front leg is straight, and the back heel is pushing forward. So it's not pushing out, it's pushing forward. This is a walk where you change direction. So a check forward walk means you go forward and then you change your mind to come backwards. So we go check, I go forward, but now I'm going to change my mind and come backwards. So that's your check forward walk. The next walk is, well, the next 2 walks are delayed. So that means I delay putting my heel down. Okay, so I don't put it down straight away like we've been taught. With the other walks, we delay putting it down. So the first one is delayed forward walk with the knee bent. And this comes in the ladies' hip twists and sliding doors. So this is this position. Now the heel is high, the instep of the foot is pushing forward, the knee is at 90 degrees, okay? So I'm not over here, I'm not back here, it's 90 degrees. The shoulders are square and the back hip is rotating, which is causing the front knee to bend, and I delay, lowering the heel to then go into the next step. So that was delayed forward walk, knee bent. We've also now got a delayed forward walk with the leg straight. So it's the same idea, we delay, putting the heel down, but we have a straight leg. And this comes in the Alemana for the lady. Then we've got a backward walk. Delayed backward walk with the knee bend. Now this is mainly danced by the man. You'll see it in sliding doors for the man. So he goes like that and he puts the foot behind, again with the back foot turned out and the front foot turned out, the knees pressing together, and we delay lowering the back heel. Then the last one, which is rumba walk number 8, which everyone forgets about, is the backward walk turning. Now this is danced in the basic and not used a lot, but we do a backwards, it's like a backward walk, but then we have to turn it.